Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to remove story from on TikTok. So to remove story on TikTok, head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then as you can see, I have posted a story. If I go over it, I can see it. And to delete my story, all I need to do is just head over to it and click on the arrow on the lower right corner, and just there will be an option of click on delete. And once you click on delete, just there will be another two options, delete and re-edit, and there will be another one, delete. So I will click on delete. So once I click on delete, my story is deleted from TikTok. And yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.